Hello everyone. In continuation with the aldol condensation, we will see some other example also. In last lecture, we have studied that whenever you are having product like this and this undergo aldol condensation, then there is possibility that carbanion is formed at this carbon as well as one of the carbon which is alpha carbon. Here, if you are having sodium ethoxide, in that case, there will be formation of either this carbanion or there is formation of carbanion at this carbon. And again we have observed the formation of carbanion at first carbon atom and the product which has been formed there. But here this is primary carbanion and this is secondary. And we know that secondary carbanions are more stable as compared to primary one. Therefore, that product which we have discussed in earlier class is correct. But in larger amount, this carbanion will be formed and the resultant product will be a 5-membered ring. It means this carbanion will approach at this carbon atom and there is formation of double bond CH3 here and here CO minus and then CH2, then CH2 here and C. It means there is formation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon atom chain. In that case, formation of 6 carbon atom chain was possible. But here secondary carbanions are more stable as compared to primary carbanion. Therefore, this product is. And we have here this one is not here, it is like that. It is like that. One carbon is missing. And we are having OH here and then C. This product will be. Now we will take some other example also. Now if we are having here CHO and one is 3 carbon containing aldehyde and under same condition in presence of base, if we are having here base, in that case carbanion will be formed in larger extent of this 2 carbon and it will attack at carbonyl of this propanol. That results in formation of O minus H here and then CH2 C. HN which when heated it will lose water molecule and form unsaturated aldehyde. But when the same condensation takes place in acidic medium, in place of formation of carbanion at this, it is better to form carbanion at here, at this carbon. And in that case, once carbanion is formed here, it will approach at this aldehyde and that results in formation of H, then OH here in presence of hydrogen and we are having here CH, CH3 and then CH. This aldehyde will be formed. It means depending on the nature, whether the reagent is in reaction taking place in acidic medium or in basic medium, two different type of products will be formed. In basic medium, this product will be formed. In acidic medium, this product will be formed. Now take some other example. Let's consider we are having this acetone. In presence of HCl, moist HCl, it forms acetyl oxide and finally furone is formed. How reaction take place? In presence of this HCl, carbanion will be formed, and once carbanion is formed and that approaches here and we are having here which and CH2 CO CH3, there is loss of water molecule, hydrogen will be removed from this carbon, OH and H will form this acetyl oxide. Once this acetyl oxide is formed, and again we are having the acetone and HCl, that again gives this carbanion, and now this carbanion will approach at this carbon atom, and that results here. Sorry, here carbanion will be formed not at this, it will be formed here, and once carbanion is formed here, it will approach at this one, and as it approaches here, there is formation of C double bond C, CH, then C double bond O, then CH2, C OH here, in presence of acid, CH3, CH. And again, here OH and H will lose water molecule, and due to loss of water, there is formation of furone. This one is acetyl oxide. And after loss of this water molecule, we will be able to get this CH3, here CH, then C double bond O, then CH, then C. This is furone. It means in acidic medium, acetone is capable of giving acetyl oxide and finally furone, depending on the availability of acetone and acid. Now we are having some other example. For example, we are having this cyclohexanol. Here we are having alpha hydrogen at this carbon as well as at this carbon. It will again undergo in presence of basic medium, in presence of dilute NaOH, calcium hydroxide, and it will give aldol product. Here again aldol condensation will take place because of capability of condensation at this alpha carbon. Once a negative ion is formed here, because of this base, it will approach at next cyclohexanol. Let's consider here. In that case, there will be formation of here which it will attach here, and as a result there is a formation of here. Here addition will be just like transmission, and aldol product is formed. Now take another example. Let's consider we are having this example. Here we are having phenyl. It means 2-phenyl ethanol. Here again alpha hydrogen is available. Under basic condition, again it will go aldol condensation reaction and will form aldol product. Here, once carbanion is formed at one of the aldehyde, and it will approach at next aldehyde. Here again it will approaches at the carbonyl carbon, and in presence of there will be formation of here C, then CHO is there, then O, and here H will be formed. This is aldol product when taking this. But when you are heating it with sodium hydrogen sulfate, dehydration takes place, and due to dehydration there will be loss of water molecule. Hydrogen will be lost either from this carbon or from this carbon. But here this is tertiary carbon atom, therefore hydrogen will be lost from this, and that one causes formation of a double bond here. Then this is final product in this case. Now when we are having, let's consider 1 mole of aldehyde, 1 mole of ketone. As in earlier video we have studied that there is formation of four product, but here 2 remaining products will be formed due to cross aldol condensation. And in cross aldol, anion will be formed at this carbon in greater range as compared to ketone. It means anion will be preferably formed with ketone as compared to aldehyde. And once anion is formed with this ketone, in that case we are having this product in larger extent, and this is cross aldol condensation reaction. Now we are coming up to some other example. Now if we are having this ethanol and 1 mole of formaldehyde, in presence of calcium hydroxide, here first aldol condensation reaction take place. Not actually aldol, but aldol type of reaction take place due to formation of carbanion at this alpha carbon atom, which approaches at formaldehyde like here, and that one results in formation of H, which here CH2, then once this is formed, 3 mole of this formaldehyde approaches, and that results in formation of CCHO. In the same way, CH2 OH, then CH2 OH here, and then CH2 OH. When you are having this product, and you know that here, with respect to aldehyde, this is alpha carbon atom, and there is no hydrogen at this alpha carbon. When you are treating it with base, little stronger base like sodium hydroxide, in that case, Cannizzaro reaction takes place. Here, Cannizzaro, and everyone knows that Cannizzaro reaction is disproportionation reaction. It means whenever 2 mole of aldehyde having no alpha hydrogen atom is taken, 1 mole of alcohol and 1 mole of carboxylic acid is formed. It means in this case, here for 1 mole oxidation take place, it means formation of COH, and for 1 CH2OH, alcohol will be formed, and the product will be like this. Due to Cannizzaro reaction, here oxidation product carboxylic acid is formed, and here alcohol is formed. These are the products due to Cannizzaro reaction of that product.